The perfect gift for Christmas. What would be the perfect gift for you this Christmas? A brand new car, a dream home, a wife, husband, a credit alert, or a vacation to Neuschwanstein Castle in Bavaria. Whatever your heart desires, there's one gift that surpasses them all. A gift so profound that it touches every life and changes everything. I want you to take a look at this year and think of one thing that stood out for you. What was that thing and how did it make you feel? Perhaps it made you feel happy, yet one gift shines brighter than the rest. It's a gift no one has ever rejected, a gift that transforms lives, the gift of love. Love is more than a word, it is an action. It is the substance of our happiness and fulfillment. Of all the gifts that we receive in life, love remains unmatched. It is the reason we smile, the reason we heal, the reason we grow. Love binds our families, mends our broken hearts, and fuels our hope. Love is not merely what we give, it is what we share. This season reminds us of the perfect love, a love so profound that it bridged the gap between us and God. God's love, His perfect gift to us, brought light into our darkness, joy into our sorrow, and redemption into our brokenness. This love is what we celebrate at Christmas, the ultimate sacrifice that opened the doors to the treasures of life we cherish today. Through love, we find the strength to rise, the courage to dream, and the grace to move forward. This Christmas, let's cherish the perfect gift, love. And as we bask in the glow of the season, let's continue to share that goodness. God bless you. Share this post if you find value in it. Thank you for your support. Read next. 10 things you must always remind yourself of. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get books on Amazon Books. You can also check out these posts. 1. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 2. Making sense of our strengths. 3. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 4. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. L1. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments